Fantasy horse riding videos are going mega viral on TikTok right now. This page has hit 325,000 followers and pulled in 56 million views on a single video. And this page has hit 224,000 followers and has videos at 26, 8, and 6 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the Fantasy Horse Generator, and click on the first link. In the GPT, click Start the Generator. It's going to give you 10 different scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going with number 10. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box, set the output to 9:16 and 2K, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. That torchlit bridge and the Gothic cathedral ahead, that's the kind of frame that makes someone stop mid-scroll. So just pick the one you like and click Frame to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0. Go back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it back into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on. Set the output to 5 seconds and 1080p, then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.